Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm hoping that the sound on this video is a lot better quality. I, a long time ago, got some lav mics and some wireless lav mics. They were very cheap on Amazon. But I couldn't get them to connect to my camera, so I had to order an additional cord. Anyway, all of that is to say, please let me know if this sound quality sounds better to you, worse, the same, whatever. Let me have it in the comments. Baby, I'm bringing back the snowflakes. Yeah, if you were here last year, you know that I freaking love these snowflake molds. I made a few snowflakes last year. And this year, I'm making a few more. Our Christmas tree in our house is blue and silver. And so that's what I'm going to make today, except I'm just going to stick with silver. So I've got this enormous jar of Resin holographic silver glitter. It is so beautiful, and I cannot wait to see how it looks in these molds. I'm going to fill these molds all the way to the top with as much glitter as possible. I'm gonna clear it today, as I've decided to call it. I'm gonna do a clear, and I'm gonna mix up just so much glitter, like so much glitter. Anyway, these are gonna be perfect. They're gonna be beautiful. I'm going to enjoy hanging them on my tree. And yeah, this is a simple and easy one, guys. I'm gonna get my resin warmed up, get the resin mixed into the glitter, and let's get started.
It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah.
Bonus unmolding. I know it's been a while since we've had one of those. Just had this little bird skull mold sitting next to me when I was pouring the other things. So this is a matte mold. So eventually when I get around to it, I am going to add some resin to the outside to shine this up, so it should look a little bit better. But it's still really cool. I don't know. I like it. Anyway, that's today's bonus unmolding. All right, friends. Should we see how these look? I'm so excited. Yeah. Let's go ahead and demold. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah. Okay, hold on one second. I want to get my flashlight out on my phone. I want to see. You can see it on the back, right? Why is the camera not picking up the top one? Because this is shiny and it does look really, really nice in person. Oh, that's so frustrating. I hate this camera sometimes. Got a cat hair in it. Wow. It looks like a million tiny diamonds. Okay. So yeah, they're all the same. They're all very beautiful. Not a bubble in sight. In the comments below, tell me what colors you guys typically decorate your Christmas trees in, if you have a Christmas tree. I'm always curious to know. And do you like white lights or do you like multicolored lights? Which ones do you guys like? Oh, that's so pretty. Anywho, yeah, I'm excited to put these on my tree. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. I've got a new video on Thursday that is an experiment, and I'm excited to give it a try. So, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.